I sew every day and I film every day. I do a bunch of stuff every day. Welcome. Today the cloth is cut and ready for the next video, which will be the sewing of the cloth that I've just cut. This example here, you can see that the zipper is there waiting to be stitched into the lining, the denim lining, and the outer cotton, 100% cotton cloth. You can see I'm using clips instead of pins in this case. I do have lots of pins as well. Today the cloth is cut. It will be sewn in the next video. This is my first sewing project. I just bought these sewing machines, a brand new one and a used one, like less than 2 weeks ago. Also got a serger, which I don't know how to use. But anyway, this is my first sewing project, making this cloth pouch, this cloth oversized pencil case, if you like. So I hope that you get something of value out of this video. It's me cutting the cloth, sizing and cutting. I have discovered that all the cloth I use, the denim or the cotton or polyester, whatever, it has to be pre-washed and shrunk before I sew it. So there we go. I hope there's something of value here for you, and thanks for stopping in. Hey, as we say in Canada, how you guys doing? I think that's pretty much equivalent to saying, how y'all doing, or hi y'all. Hey listen, I got a real good scoop on these mechanical scissors. I don't want my fingers to get anywhere near the working end of this brute, this riot. Watch this. This is awesome. I hope I do this right. Like, check that out. Is that unbelievably, awesomely incredible, or what? I ended up trying to find another sewing machine, and I did. I found a 4423. It's right over there, and I just finished buying a brand new 44S, heavy duty 44S, which is right here. And then like 3 days later, I got that machine and the serger, and believe it or not, I also got a really nice Yamaha acoustic guitar with stand and leather strap. But anyway, that's neither here nor there. What I wanted to show you was this awesome mechanical scissors and how it just melts right through that flexible denim. That is a somewhat medium or maybe even a slightly heavy denim. Anyway, cheers, enjoy. Please subscribe. I need all the help you can give me. Adios, amigos. Good morning. I'm going to make a line with the fabric chalk. Interesting device, and I'm quite intimidated by it. Listen to this. Yeah, like holy cow, man. So maybe I'll get back a bit and I'll move this down here like that. I've got the line, so now all I got to do is kind of go along with the line, right? Let's see how this works. Fingers are back. Wow, that kind of a first impression really makes a good one. I'm stunned. That was so simple and easy, and no rotary discs to chop my fingers off. All I got to do is keep my fingers away from that beak where the blades are. I am extremely pleased with that performance, and I have a couple of rulers there. And I'm going to mark off my 9 by 10 inches or whatever it is. Here's the 8 inches down, and here's my 9 inch from there up to there. So I'm good to make a line here and a line there, and then I have to cut 2 out of the denim and then 2 out of the 100% gray cotton that I have over there, and then I'll be able to line them up and start stitching them together. I'm just going really light. And I'm going to make a cut right there and right there. Good stuff. So I need another one like that out of denim, and then I need 2 that same size out of the gray cotton material. So I'll get to work on that. So I've got 2 more marked there, is what I got. Now my hand's not even near the cutter. Look at that. Now I got 3 denim. So now I can make 3 gray. So I'll have more that I can make. Anyway, I'll get the gray cloth. Here we go. This one I'm going to scrap. This is the one I want to keep. Whoa. Something happened there. Here we go. That one's off. Now I got to get rid of this, and we'll keep that. Cool. So that's 8.5. So that's probably my 8, and that's a 9. looks somewhat close enough. So let me measure that one now. That is 8 inches by 9 inches. So there's my 9 inches wide there, all the way down there. I've got all the way down to there. So what I'll do then, get that part off. Okay, I've had to readjust that line. I had measured just a tad off. So I've made the new marks, 3 of them, and I'm just gonna get in the light here with my shoulders and my head and all the rest of it. Make another line, and then that is like that. There. So that's almost a perfect 9 there. Interesting. Really, it is fine, delicate slicing there, I will say that. Here we are at the end. The next video is going to be, like I said, sewing this up, getting that zipper and the lining and all that. Thanks for watching. Have fun. Keep safe. Chat soon. Video soon. Adios, amigos.